What is up, you guys? Oh my god, it's been so long since I've done a video, and honestly this video is so long overdue. So as y'all can read the title, you already know what y'all about to see, so I'm not gonna talk too much into the intro. I'll save that for last. So let's just get right into this video. All right, first things first is a accessory piece. Now come on now, packaging, the packaging, like they delivered. Like, are you serious? Like, what? Mind you, I was shook by the packaging. This Hermes bracelet comes with the whole bag, the box, the little dust bag that it comes in. So pretty. They have like all colors, like they have white. You know, when you ask the vendor all the things, like she will let you know like what she got. But I was just shook on just the presentation alone. Like, what? I have all these Christian Dior. We have some Dior, baby. Now these came wrapped in this little Dior bag. It also came wrapped like this in like all this little Dior packaging paper type thing. And it comes wrapped up in this. So we have these mules, these cute Christian Dior mules. Baby, get into this. Like, what? Can y'all get into these shoes though? When I tell y'all, I'm like, baby, fake wear, they call this. What do they call this, y'all? Like, I'm bad at describing things. Like this, it's like yarn. It's literally like yarn quilted yarn or whatever. But these are so cute. I'm gonna show y'all this picture that I saw Bernice wearing. It was so cute. So I was like, oh yeah, let me cop those, see how they gonna look for real. And baby, like, these shoes are freaking legit. Like, do y'all see that? Legit. This one is the Gucci hat. The Gucci hat, it looks like this. Super cute. Yes, y'all, do y'all see that? Like, that is so freaking cute. If I didn't have my hair like it is, but you know, it comes like this. It comes with this little symbol right there, and in the inside it does have like Gucci in the inside. Y'all can see that. But this is the next hat. This is super cute. And mind you, I'm gonna have all these things in the description box, so if y'all want to buy these off of me, y'all can. You know, y'all can definitely buy them, so I'll leave all that in the link. These next item, well, the next item is also Gucci, and these are the Gucci sneakers. Now these shoes, y'all, when I got these shoes, I'm literally like, because they legit look like the real thing. These, bruh, like, do y'all see these? Like, when I tell y'all, the quality of these shoes are so good. They're so freaking good. Like, they're so good. Like, I wouldn't even guess if I saw somebody wearing these. Like, I wouldn't even think they were fake. Like, they look so good. I'm not even joking, y'all. These shoes look so good in person. Look at that. I'm telling y'all, this vendor is legit dope. And how this came, this actually came like in a dust bag. So it came with this little dust bag right here that has like Gucci on the front, and they just came packaged in this little plastic wrap. Alright, these next items are just some more Gucci hats. These are the bucket hats. I have a pink one like this, which is so freaking cute. It's a cute pink, it's the like pink bucket hat. It comes with a little tag. It has like a little tag on it. But I'm not even gonna lie, like, all this stuff is like good quality. This is like some good replica items. Inspired items, or whatever you want to call it. It has like the little G's right there. This bucket hat is so cute. If I can put it on, I would show y'all, but I ain't got time to be taking his hair down. This bucket hat is bomb. So that's that. Then we have this other bucket hat, like the original OG. Comes with the little G's. This little faux leather right here. And it's like, when I say it's good quality, like it's good quality. Excuse me y'all if I keep looking over here in the viewfinder. Like I said, I got this new camera and I'm just trying to get used to all this stuff, y'all. I'm just trying to hurry up and get this video out for y'all. But yeah, this is another bucket hat. So cute. Y'all don't mind me, like I'm about to go to my son's game, so I was trying to like hurry up and film this video for y'all. Okay, the next item we have, this is a Louis Vuitton item. Louis Vuitton. I am in this dust bag and in this packaging. Let me show y'all what we got. We got some more mules, and these are the Louis Vuitton pink mules. Bam, like these are so freaking cute. Like they're so cute. Do y'all see the engraving of the LV? I'm gonna show y'all a picture of what I saw these at. But look at that. These are so freaking cute. If you look at the bottom, it has like the engraving down there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it has like the engraving and it says made in Italy. Hella good. They're so cute. Bubblegum pink. So freaking cute. I'm trying to help my girls out or my guys out who want to just splurge and be cute on a budget. Ain't nobody gotta know. Like that ain't nobody's business but yours. Come package like this, or even have like the little picture right there. And this is the LV bag. Do y'all see that? Like, oh my god, this coming out so cute and on camera. But yes, this bag right here is dope. Like, you know, comes with that. It's a cute little bag though. Like, that is so cute. You got that bag. Only thing I wasn't too thrilled about with this bag is the name on the front. Like, as y'all can see from a distance, it looked like legit, but if you look closely at the name, it's like, it just looked like it's like a stamp, and it's not like all like, it's like the paint kind of smeared when they stamped it on there, so it's not like, it's not clean. Like, if y'all can see, okay, there we go. Y'all see how the name isn't like as detailed? See how it looks like it's kind of smeared a little bit? But other than that, y'all, everything else is like good. The leather is like really soft and pretty. Like, baby, this is it. Only thing is, when you do rock it, I wouldn't have this showing. Like, from a distance, you can't really tell. But if somebody get up on you and they look at this part, they go like, something ain't right with that. But from a distance, or if you just keep it turned this way, like, everything looks, not even much gonna lie, legit. From the zipper to the buckle, the zipper has the LV on it and everything. Like, as y'all can see, it has like the little LV on the zipper and like everything. The next item came wrapped up like super cute. Came with this Christian Dior. It was wrapped up like this. You know, it comes with all the little fake stuff to make you really believe that you're buying a Dior bag. It comes with like the packaging, like the little Dior bag cord and everything. Look at that. It even come with like the Christian Dior card. Child, they tried it. The Dior little pamphlet thing. Like, what? Like, what? Like, how? This is one of their saddle bags. I think this is actually the large one. It comes with a cute little dust bag and everything. Cute little dust bag. This one is their Christian Dior saddle bag. Like, what? Comes with the D on it. On the side it has the CD. The Christian Dior saddlebag. Like, this is the large one. Let's see if y'all can see. Like, it's the large one. Now, what's so good about this freaking bag is that it comes with another strap. Like, when you open it up in the inside, it comes with, and see, at least they made theirs a little more legit in the inside. Like, the stamp don't look all like fake or whatever. Comes with the little what is this, the little scarf thing, a little bag, and this is the other strap. Christian Dior. Look at this other side. Like, do y'all see the good detailing in it? Like, the quality of the actual fabric. You probably can sell this strap alone for a good amount. This actually came in a box like this. These slides are like super popular, or was super popular. I used to see so many people with them on. And that's these Dior slides, like, super cute. Christian Dior has Dior on the back. Okay, I borrowed them so I can do the video. But as y'all can see how it shows Dior on the back. This is size 38. This is the close-up of the material. Like, it's legit the freaking material. Oh, y'all gotta cop these. Super cute, because who's gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. Who's gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. This are Louis Vuitton. It actually came in an actual box with the freaking ribbon on it, child. Like I said, they tried. They really tried. It comes in this little dust bag right here. And this is so freaking cute. Child, y'all remember them pink Louis shoes I showed y'all earlier? Child, look at this. We have the freaking Louis purse. Like, this thing is so freaking cute. It's heavy, such good quality. Pops open like that. It has a little purple inside, like the original. It comes with a little chain, the chain strap, and on the strap it says LV, y'all. Like I said, the strap says LV on it. As y'all can see, like, this purple comes like this in the inside. Has the LV. It's the purple inside, like the original slap clothes. So yeah, so if y'all like this, definitely cop this. Or even, like I said, hit my vendor up. I'm gonna show y'all later on how to get these vendors. But yeah, that's that. I might have is a Burberry item. This is one of their Burberry. This Burberry purse right here. Super freaking cute. Once again, it's another crossbody. You just lift that down, lift the purse up. Comes with the little strap. Strap is packaged good in the Burberry stuff. This is how it is, the inside. So this is another like go-to purse. Y'all want it. Super cute and chic, casual. This one is like the canvas material. That's the material that's on this part. It's like canvas material. So let me show y'all these like phone cases that I got too. So this is like a 12 max case. It has like the little slot for your cards that you can use. It's another one. Just some, you know, some simple phone cases. I'm selling these on my website, so if y'all want to go and look on my website, y'all see all these on there. Here's another one, a Gucci one. If y'all want to get into the phone case selling business, or if y'all want to sell some phone cases on the side, be my guest. Yes. So, like, these items are legit, 100% trusted vendor. I am selling my vendors list, and I'm gonna even give y'all a the contact for the person's Instagram for the kids luxury item. So this is a bonus for y'all. So y'all getting a bonus of the kids luxury items, and all the items are legit. I'm selling my vendors list, you guys. I even put it on Etsy so y'all can do like the payment plans. Like if y'all don't have all the money at front, you can do it in four payments through like Klarna or whatever Etsy do. So I'm putting it on Etsy. If y'all want us to get this vendor and get a chance to get all these items that I showed y'all plus more, I'm gonna get the vendor to my luxury phone cases and accessories. You're gonna get the vendor to all these items that I showed you guys. These luxury items can go damn near for the real thing, and this is legit 100% trusted vendor. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely click that link in the description, head over to Etsy and get this vendor. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, because I'm trying to put these videos out for y'all, put more videos and all that type of stuff. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe and share this video, y'all. Share this video because everybody needs to be bougie on a budget, okay? Okay. Alright, so you guys, so now I'm showing you how it looks on the vendor's profile that she sends. When you contact the vendor, she will send you a link to her album where she has like all her brands and merchandise and all that stuff. So this is just showing you how it looks. She has like different categories: Versace, YSL shoes, Off-White. And as you just scroll down, you'll notice there's a number in the corner, a white number, and that just basically shows you how many items she have for that category. So for instance, we're going to click on the Chanel bag. As you can see, she has 321 items for this category. These are all the Chanel bags that she have. She has so many. So if you're interested in it, you just click on it, then screenshot it and send it to her, and she'll let you know what the price is. So now this is the LV bags. 333 items. She probably have like every freaking LV bag there is. So again, just click on it to make it a bigger view. Send her the screenshot and ask her for the price. Let's see what else we have. We have Gucci bags, 234. You know, like I said, she has like all the items, the latest items. And like I said again, if you don't see it, send her a picture and she'll let you know if she have it. Dior bags, 215 items. So yes, you guys, this is the bomb. So yeah, you will basically just screenshot the picture and send it to her and ask her for the price, and she'll let you know the price of those items. Prada, baby, like my girl has it all. So this is me just showing you some of the things in the categories, how it looks once you contact her and she send you that link. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this video. The link's in the description, so if you're interested in buying this vendor, purchasing this vendor, I will leave the link so you can purchase it over there on my Etsy. Thanks again, you guys. Enjoy.